Alright, it deleted my last one, so I'm not going to start from scratch. But this is called a vetting assumption talk. I'm going to go ahead and vet a few assumptions today. It's July 9th, 2015. This was taken from Stellar Energy Sources, and it says History of the Star. This is chapter 6 of a book I borrowed from the library. It's written in 1965, so it's quite out of date. But for some reason, astronomers and astrophysicists still use this stuff. So, okay, it says here, throughout its life, a star transforms nuclear and gravitational energy into photons and neutrinos. You'll notice that I have neutrinos crossed out because that is just that's taken out with Occam's razor earlier. The neutrino problem is the nuclear problem. The sun and stars are not nuclear powered. So you have gravitational energy producing photons. Now, what's really strange is that there's a stepped energy level for reactions. You have nuclear, which is close range and very powerful. You have mid-range for magnetism, electric charge, and things like that, which is medium range, and then gravitation, which is long range and is very, very weak. So notice they do not include electrically charged material, which is electromagnetic energy, EM forcing, or chemical reactions during stellar evolution. That's horrible. Okay? And then it has the star lives on its nuclear resources during the so-called nuclear burning stages. He added so-called because he was unsure about it, so he can completely take that out. It's obvious to him. He put so-called in there. He could have just said nuclear resources during the nuclear burning stages, as if he was certain about it. So being it says so-called, red flag. During such stages, the rate of energy release from some particular nuclear reaction, we can go ahead and erase that. Okay, so the rate of energy release from some nuclear reaction was sufficient to compensate for the radiation loss. Now, it's not compensated. It's not that the star loses energy and then is replenished with nuclear energy, because the nuclear energy doesn't exist. What happens is the star loses energy and it continues cooling and shrinking and dying. Okay? And the really weird part is they have stars stopping gravitational contraction for the time being for nuclear burning to switch phases. Now that's weird, because if a star is powered by nuclear and gravitational energy in the beginning statement, why on earth did they say the gravitational contraction stops? So gravity just stops? How do they make gravity stop just so nuclear reactions can take place? This right here is a short vetting of that statement. And as you can see, we have a lot of work to do.